Hello everyone, welcome back to GearUpWindows. In this video, I will show you how to enable network discovery in Windows 11. Network discovery allows your computer to find other devices, computers and shared resources on the same network. If network discovery is turned off, you may not be able to see other computers or network devices in File Explorer under the Network section. So let's get started. First, open the Settings app by pressing Windows plus I on your keyboard. In the Settings app, click Network and Internet in the left sidebar. Now, depending on your connection, click on Wi-Fi if you are connected wirelessly, or Ethernet if you are using a wired connection. Next, make sure your current network is set to private. Network discovery generally works when your network profile is set to private. If your network is set to public, click the network properties and change the network profile type to private network. Once that is done, go back to the network and internet settings. Now scroll down and click the advanced network settings. Under related settings, under more settings, click the advanced settings. Here, enable this one toggle that says network discovery. You can also enable the option to automatically set up network connected devices if it is currently available on your PC. That's it. Network discovery is now enabled in Windows 11. To verify it, open File Explorer by pressing Windows plus E. Then click on the network in the left navigation pane. Windows may display a message asking you to turn on network discovery and file sharing. If you see this message, click on it and select turn on network discovery and file sharing. After a few moments, Windows should start discovering other computers and network devices available on your local network. Keep in mind that network discovery only allows your PC to discover devices on the network. It does not automatically give you access to shared files or folders. The other computer must also have the appropriate sharing settings enabled. So that's how you can enable network discovery in Windows 11. If this video helped you, don't forget to like it, subscribe to GearUpWindows and click the bell icon for more Windows 11 and Windows 10 tutorials. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.